Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today video about the DJI AVATA, my first fly. Now I'm gonna try this drone first time in the manual mode. I already spent around 100 hours in the DRL simulator, so I hope it's gonna be not so hard for me for the first time. So let's not waste the time, let's go. By the way, I'm in China now, so I already updated my drone, and as you see, it didn't ask me about any remote ID or something. So it's good news for those who fly outside of USA. You can fly your drone like before without any problem. The first I'm gonna check my settings. As you can see, there is the manual mode. ISO is auto. The quality is 4K 60, and I put the limit to the ISO, it's like 400. Rock steady, and this in the light color. So let's try. So in here I'm gonna try the manual mode. You're gonna see the sports and manual. Yeah. This is it. We're here. Oh, it's so fast, by the way. The good news, at least, this is not so hard. I can control the drone. I think without the few hours in the simulator, you for sure gonna crash immediately. I need to fix my camera angle. A little bit 25, I guess. This is much better. So I'm gonna take the place like here. I'm gonna try some tricks like roll or something like this. Like, oh, nice. It's pretty good. I like it. Yeah, nice. Up. As you can see, I get the bug, which make you to lose control. Let's try the front flip. Whoop. Nice. Okay, and last one is low flight, just here. So I'm gonna try to fly it inside of this place. Slow, slow, slow. Yep. Nice. After just few minutes, I'm starting feeling okay. Like no trouble at all. Let's try something like dive or something like that. Ooh. Nice. So I think this is enough, 25% of battery. I'm gonna try to land the drone, so better to swap to the sports. Come closer. Swap to the manual mode. Put the angle down. I'm trying to land it. Yep, looks okay. So just going down. Yes. Finish. So my feeling is pretty the same like the simulator, but it's different. So better spend some time to practice before you're trying to do this in the real drone. Thanks for watching. Bye.